What it do, straight on live, Flat Entertainment. Man, we around this bitch chillin', man. We about to roll up some more something, though. I know that, because we got some more something happening, because you know how it's going down right now.
What up, fam? DVD, official shit, the mixtape, Just Beats, Paper Chasing.
I'm assuming.
Won't you give us
What's the vlog though?
It's called Paper, you know what I'm saying, Just Beats, Paper Chasing. So you a nigga, you know what I'm saying, that been out there.
My nigga Cornbread, man. Live mixtape nigga, that nigga doing it big in the hood, man. We got to fuck with this nigga, man. He ain't real nigga on everything, man.
Hey, so I'm gonna tell you something, right? The reason why I call it Paper Chasing, right? Cause you a dude that, you know, be out there doing what you do, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna say too much, but tell them how it is when you first started and the struggles, you know what I mean, about trying to chase that paper.
Chasing that paper around this time, man. Hey, you gotta dodge a lot, man. This shit ain't straight around this bitch, but you know, we try to make it happen all together as one. At least the niggas are straight, you know what I mean? Other than that, I try to stay out the way, man. Fuck that shit. You know what I'm saying? We gotta eat still, regardless. We gonna make it though.
That's what's up. Let's